Hello, welcome to our Caséta wireless kit unboxing. We're going to talk about the Smart Switch kit in today's video, the components inside it, as well as a couple applications for where this might be useful. The first product in this kit is the Caséta wireless Smart Switch. This can handle up to 6 amps of lighting or 3.6 amps of a fan load. What's great about this product, it's very simple. You have an on button and an off button, as well as an LED indicator light showing you if the load is on or off. This switch does require a neutral wire, and in addition to this switch, it comes with a Lutron screwless Claro faceplate to complete the look. The final component of the Smart Switch kit is the Caséta wireless bridge. This allows for control with our free Lutron app to control from your smartphone, as well as set simple time clocks, such as sunrise and sunset. Now that you understand the components inside this kit, let's talk about an application for where this kit can be very useful. There's no better place to start than a timer for your outdoor lighting. The ease of creating a set it and forget it time clock to switch on and off your outdoor lights has never been easier. From porch lights to outdoor living spaces, this kit helps accomplish things such as enhancing security, creating outdoor accent lights, and even allowing the kids to play after sundown are just a few examples of how this kit can be useful to you on your next job. So now that you understand the components inside this kit, as well as some applications, next time you have an opportunity for a smart switch, look no further than the Caséta wireless switch kit here. Thanks for choosing Lutron.